We're going to go ahead and replace our mass airflow sensor located right here on the top of our airbox intake tube. With your hood open, you want to go ahead and identify the negative side of that battery. That's this one right here. Let's go ahead and use our 10mm socket. We're going to go ahead and loosen and disconnect the ground side. Slide that terminal off and set that aside. Attached to the air box right here, you're going to find your mass airflow sensor. Find the connector right here, press down on this little tab, and wiggle this connector off. Once that connector comes off, now I want to go ahead and remove the two small Phillips head screws holding that part to the airbox. Grab the sensor, gently pull that up. Take the sensor. I'm going to lower this down into position. Line up the tabs here and go ahead and get our screws installed. I'm not going to seat that one yet. I want to get the other side started. Now with both of these threaded in, we can now go ahead and snug those down. Once that screw is bottomed out, just give it a little bit more. Do the same over here. Bottom it out, just that little extra. Take the connector, line that up, press it on so you can hear it click. Take your ground terminal, line this up, and let's go ahead and snug down that nut.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.